So they made you a little sweater, Molly. Not a big fan of the hat, though, are you? Oh, man, you don't like the hat so much, do you, Miss Molly? Oh, no. Huh? We'll leave the hat when it gets really cold out. Okay? Well, we'll leave the hat till when it gets really cold out. What do you think? Yeah, you don't like that hat, do you? Miss Molly. Morning, guys. April 19th, 2021. This I got a call from a guy. I guess he said I worked for him before, and he's got a problem with water flow to some of his faucets. So I don't know if it's through the whole house or just a couple of faucets that he's got issues with. I've done these videos before where I go in there and I check the flow out of through the shut-offs and make sure that the the water supplies are clear and you got good, so a lot of times it's in the faucet. Sometimes it's in the aerator. It could be in the,
in 1/4 mile, turn left on Hathaway
could be in the diverter in the faucet, sometimes full of that cholesterol build-up type of stuff. Calcium build-up or whatever it is in the water. It's just what's in the water up this way. City water, well water, it's all the same. It's in the water. I don't know what it is. Some kind of minerals or something. It really affects everything. Even the well water does the same thing around here, so I don't know what to tell you. It's kind of just all part of living up here, I guess. There are devices you can put on the system. They're like, they're supposed to kill all that stuff. Hook them up to the power and they wrap it around the pipe and it's supposed to kill all that stuff. But I don't know how good that works. Actually, I got one at home. I should probably put it in my house and see how it works. Been sitting on my table for 3-4 years. Never hooked it up. Anyway, Miss Molly's got a new sweater on today. Some lady from one of my subscribers sent me an email and wanted to know if I could, if she would wear it if I sent it. Little snug around the legs there, but getting it on and off sometimes is a trouble when it's snug around the legs. I gotta pull it off on, and she gets a little wacky if it don't come off quick. Go off like a prom dress, Miss Molly. You want to take it off like a prom dress. I know you do. Yeah, if it's a little tight around the legs, sometimes it's hard to get off it. She struggle with it. It'll stretch. I guess it's yarn, so it should stretch. The hat, she don't like. The hat's kind of like something that she's not used to having. Maybe when it's real cold out, to put the hat on her. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. That's not bad flow. You think that's bad?
Oh yeah. I mean,
That's better.
so what I do when I see it like this?
It could be. Did you check this out?
Yeah, I did. Yeah. So what I do normally is.
You got a well here?
No.
We don't have a well.
No, you asked me about that.
And we got a filter downstairs.
Yes.
Let's look at the other one. See what the other one looks like.
And I know that the shutoffs are gunked up. I know that because I've taken off the hoses. Periodically I do that and ream them out, put them back on, and my flow comes back.
Right. Could be in the hoses.
But I think it's in the valve.
The shutoffs. Well, I can put new shutoffs in. That's easy
I think
enough.
it's the two shutoffs. And then
I mean,
it's funny. This one is fine. You know, that one's good.
That don't look bad, yeah.
That one's good.
That's not bad flow, yeah.
Okay, that's hot.
Yeah,
And my wife's is bad.
That one there is fine. I mean, I wouldn't even play with that one.
See, that's shit. And then, especially the hot water.
That one's questionable, yeah. All right. The thing is, if I can get in there, that thing's.
Oh, this comes out.
Yeah, but you only got one little door. All right, let's take a look downstairs. Said something about filter.
Yeah, you'll remember it when you see it.
Maybe that's blocked.
Oh, it's definitely, I've never taken it off. And I've been here 20 years.
Yeah, that might be our first thing to do then. You got the shot? Which one'd you get?
Pfizer, both of them.
Yeah, how'd you do with it?
Super.
No issues?
No.
You're not growing no horns or nothing?
No. I got a third eye coming in the back of my head.
Third eye, yeah. Oh, okay, yeah.
I mean.
Did you try getting it off? It don't look dirty to me.
Yeah. Oh God, that thing is filthy. That thing is nasty. I've never had that off.
Yeah, you should be able to get that off of there.
I've never been able to get it off.
Have you tried?
But you said with an extension.
Even with an extension you couldn't?
I've never tried with an extension.
Oh, you just put a piece of pipe on there.
I was too afraid. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm not afraid of it. We'll give it the old how you doing.
So you'll shut off the main.
Now shut it off right here and we'll give it the old how you doing. It's on bypass, so it's not even being used.
Really?
Yeah, see it right there? It's not even being used. The water's going right through it.
Okay. Well,
Filter. I don't know if this thing will even work. Wow, it's stuck. That's supposed to go to off and then to bypass. It's right on bypass now. It's not even being used. You want to come up and look at it?
No, I believe it. I believe it. Like I said,
90.
90. Okay.
I
bought the house in 98.
Yeah. Wow. I don't know why even play with it. Your water is not really dirty, is it? City water, right?
Yeah. But I get that.
It's not even being used. It's going right past it. I don't think that they're really bad, but I'll tell you what.
You film it?
I do.
Really?
I do.
That's great.
So what we'll do is we'll disconnect it and we'll put it into a bucket and see what we're getting for flow. Alright? See what we're getting for flow here. Then we'll know if the shutoffs are bad or not. It's probably them supplies. Well, look at the little tubes coming out of the faucets.
Sorry?
Look at them little tubes going up to the faucets.
There's one little tube there that I did not use,
Holy shit.
and that's for this.
Look at the size of that tube, man.
That's for this. For the sprayer.
No, I'm talking about the tube going to the faucet.
Put that under there. There you go. Be a little more comfortable for you. A little better?
Hey, wasn't you the guy that used to put the copper in the fire or something like that to make it sparkle or some
You
shit?
got it. You got it.
I remember that. That was back in the day.
Yeah.
That was what? A couple of years ago I was here.
I believe so,
He's
yeah.
still doing it.
I
So.
still remember that shit.
I'm still doing it.
You said you got copper wire or something and you put it in and it's a
My
sparkle.
brother-in-law gave me some elevator wire.
Cable and stuff.
Elevator cable.
Yeah, see, it had a good memory, but it's short. I bet you it's in the faucet most of the time.
I think I asked you if you were related to Sue.
Yeah, that's my sister.
Sue Lavimoniere.
Yeah, that's my sister.
It is.
Yeah.
I went to high school with her.
Did you?
You remember Sue?
I absolutely do. Yes, I absolutely do.
She was about a little short, I think. Because she would be what, 67? 66?
They don't look too bad, the shutoffs. Yeah, she's up there.
She's up there. Go easy.
She's crusty. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. I'm not getting any younger. I'm getting to be an old coot. Alright, let's see what happens here. We'll see if it's the shutoffs right now. Not the shutoffs. See, the flow you're getting there? That's fine.
Maybe gravity's not your friend.
You seen that, right?
Yes, I did.
All right, let's do the other one just to keep you honest. I don't think that's what your issue is, guy. I think it's in the faucet.
So you think the faucet's all plugged up?
Well, you've seen how small the supply is going to it.
You think the faucet's just cheap?
What happens is they get that buildup inside the faucets, and there's really not much you can do about it. I could check the supplies.
Basically just buy a new one?
I could check the supply. Sometimes it's in the supplies. If I can get it off. I don't think the supplies are bad. Yeah, it's definitely in the faucet. You want to come down here and look at it? It's inside the faucet lines.
Yeah, I believe you. I believe you.
What's going to happen is if I try to clean that out, I'm going to make it worse. If I try to clean it, I'll make it worse.
Okay.
Yeah, the supply's fine. So, I mean, I don't think that it's really that dramatic that you have to change the faucet yet, but it's,
Yeah, I think I want to change.
Alright, well, if you want to do it, we'll get new ones and we'll change it.
Yeah.
It's fine with me. You wait another couple of years, you might not even be alive, right?
Hey, go easy. Go easy.
Well, that's the truth anyway.
Make 76 anyway.
Get that Johnson & Johnson shot, you might not make it past the day.
Have you had your shot yet?
No,
What are you waiting for?
I'm being stubborn.
Steve, what are you waiting for?
I don't know. I'm waiting for a hot-looking rich chick to come knock on my door.
Yeah, I hear you. Like I told my son, I married one.
I had a few hot-looking ones, but never one that was rich.
Can't have everything.
I'm bad.
Yes, you are. I think the money lasts longer than the looks, to tell you the truth.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, them supplies, this one there looks a little...
Shaky. It's all about the maintenance.
Huh?
It's all about the maintenance.
It's all about the what?
The maintenance, you know?
Wow.
Sinks, brains, everything.
Well, mother. Yeah, I get a good flow out of this one too, guy.
That's the cold, right?
Yeah, well, I mean, yeah, the coal's fine. So your shut-offs are fine. These shut-offs are fine. I mean, I would go with a new faucet and new supplies. I mean, I know it's up in the faucet. If you can't live with that flow,
Yeah, I'm tired of it.
you're tired of it.
So,
Do you want to have the boss pick out a nice faucet and I can put it in, or what? Something that she likes?
do you deal with web assignments?
I do, yeah.
You can go get me, big price range.
Well, what kind of faucet do you want? I got some in the truck, but I don't have a single handle one.
You don't have a single handle one.
No.
Well, let me see. This is what? This is a mowing?
I don't think that's a Moen. That might be an American Standard or something.
You know what? I think you're right.
Why don't you go have your wife pick out one at Lowe's, and I'll come put it in. Pick out what she wants, that she's going to be using it, right?
You want to...
Well, here's the truth of the matter.
Yeah.
like you said, we're getting on. I don't really give a
You have two shits?
Well, not really.
Okay, so-
I don't care if it's 1, 2,
Okay, so,
shape.
put a double in that you got in the truck.
I got a nice double in the truck.
Okay, that's fine.
So that's.
How much we talking for it?
The faucet, you're looking at probably $85 for the one I got in the truck,
Not a problem,
plus my labor.
not a problem. Not a problem.
Let me see if I should have one in the truck.
I'm not like. And I can never get that one right in there
The
anyway.
flow's not crazy bad, guy. You know, sometimes I could change the aerator and give you a little bit more flow. I mean, it don't look really crazy bad, to be honest with you. Let me put a different aerator on there, and let's see if we get... I'm not trying to be smart with you. Sometimes I could just change the aerator.
Hey,
And
you
it makes
are the professional. You do
and it makes a big difference, you know? I don't want to sell you something you don't need. It's not bad, the flow. This ain't even hooked up, huh?
No, no. Cool, huh?
No.
Not bad, huh? I was smart doing that shit, wasn't I?
Oh yeah.
I mean, that's not bad flow right there.
All right, I'll try to live with it.
Seriously, you know, I don't want to. Usually you got it on mix. I mean, that's not bad. That's a lot better than I usually see.
I think it's better than it was, actually.
Oh, with the that's on mix. That's hot. That's cold. That's still good.
Yeah.
You know, doable.
That is better. That is better. All right, I'll live with it.
Yeah, when it gets.
I'll live with it.
When it gets worse,
Yeah.
then you know you're gonna need a new faucet.
faucet.
And I got new supplies. We'll just put them in, and it'll be good.
Okay.
And she can pick out the one she wants. This way here, she has the one that she wants to operate.
A happy wife is a happy life, right? Huh? What'd you say? I guess under your breath?
I guess so. You don't want a miserable one, that's for damn sure.
No. All right, you're gonna check the bathroom one for me?
That one we have to do something, because that one's definitely an issue.
Yep.
Might as well go clean all that stuff off from in there.
All right,
Is
sure.
that the little bathroom?
While you're at it.
Oh, that's so. I hate coming in.
Alright, so we get a good flow out of this one. I mean, that's definitely doable right there.
Yes, it is. Yep, I can live with that.
Change the aerator. Took the guts out of it, so we're getting a good, you know, maybe a couple of years down the road you get new faucets, but for now, good enough.